Showcase. Finally.
I met SK.
Finally.
And I meet him, Paul. You are a thespian, brother.
Thank you. Brother.
You are one of a kind. Ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho nsizwa yakithi.
And there's no awukho umsebenzi wami without your work.
I always tell abantu ukuthi uthando mfethu liqhamuka emajideni lona olubaleke kakhulu ngoba vele sibahle. So amantombazane. But when a brother shows me love, ngiyabonga nsizwa yakithi. uNkulunkulu aqhubeka akubusise idlozi ngide nawe mfethu. Beyond and above izandla kulikhaya ukuthi kulengisiwa. You are one of a kind, sir.
And you're born for them. And I told him on TV, Zulu man, like as a Zulu, best in school. I swear to Zulu.
No pastel. No pastel.
There's no prepared without you, my brother.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So that is a very wholesome video. I mean, very wholesome video of two South African actors, SK Khoza and Thembinkosi Mthembu, meeting, I think officially meeting for the first time. For some reason I thought they've met before, but it looks like they haven't, and they've been admiring each other from a distance, and they finally met. Oh, and then admiring each other in person. It was so cute to see. Somebody said cute at the beginning of the video. I really agree. This is exactly what we want to see. I mean, the acting industry is tough enough. We don't need more negativity. I like what Thembinkosi said when SK was honoring his craft, saying ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho. He responded by saying awukho umsebenzi wami without your work. Loosely translated to, my work would never have existed without your work. As in, if you didn't reach where you've reached, I wouldn't be where I am. That is why I was super bored with what was happening between Rihanna and Tyler last week. I'm not saying they should be buddy, but I just feel like they were both feeding into negativity somehow. Oh, and the fans were making it worse. So much worse. And then in the midst of it, you're like, but why is there even awkwardness? Guys. Like, no matter what industry, there's always going to be someone that was occupying that very spotlight or position that you are in, and there's going to be someone that comes after you. So if it's inevitable that someone younger will be occupying the very same position or spotlight that you were occupying in your 20s or whatever, and might even use you as a blueprint or even admit that you are their inspiration, what's the negativity about? Anyway, do let me know what you think of the cute wholesome video of the two actors, SK Khoza and Thembinkosi Mthembu. Thank you so much for watching.